Invite friends and collaborators to Taskia. Taskia is your ally for working collaboratively with multiple work teams, no matter where they are. To collaborate on Taskia, you will use sessions and roles. A session is the connection that enables you to assign roles and permissions to your collaborators, allowing them to access Taskia's features. To find out how many sessions are available or to extend their reach, please visit the subscription section. A role is a specific collection of permissions that can be assigned to particular users within certain contexts. The combination of roles and contexts determines a user's ability to carry out functions within Taskia. It's possible for a user to have more than one role. Let's look at a practical example. You can have a system administrator with access to all the permissions available within Taskia, allowing him to use the application and fully assign roles to new users. A manager can create, read, update, and share workspaces and its tasks without being able to delete them. A coordinator can read and update a workspace and create, read, and update tasks in a workspace. An analyst can read and update tasks within a workspace. Taskia allows you to create as many roles as you need, with permissions collected according to your criteria. You can choose the names that you like the most or that fit your work structure. There are 3 steps to create a session. Register your contacts. Create roles, create sessions. First, make sure you have registered your contacts in Connectia. Connectia is your directory. To create your first contact, locate the Apps button on the main page and select Connectia. In the sidebar, select Contacts. Click on Add Contact, enter your collaborator's name, and select the type of contact. Keep the personal information of your closest collaborators up to date, including phone numbers, social networks, dates, birthdays, locations, or positions in the organization. You can select the contact you want to modify and press Open Right panel to edit it. The second step is to create the roles. Locate the App button on the main page and select Access Control. In the sidebar, select Roles. In the Roles menu, click on the Add Role button. Enter the name you want to give to the role. For example, System Administrator, Manager, Coordinator, and Analyst. Write the description you want to give to your role and select the app you want to link to the session. Once the role is created, click on Open Right panel to edit it and assign permissions in one place. Roles have the ability to be activated or deactivated to expedite the control processes. You can specify when your collaborators have the right to perform certain actions based on the permissions granted without necessarily removing the role. The third step is the creation of the session. Click on Grant Session. Then, click on Grant a Session to a contact. Select the contact you want to grant one or more sessions to in the drop-down menu. Choose the app you want to give access to and choose the role you want to grant. If you want to grant more than one session in an app, repeat each of the steps. Remember that session assignments are individually processed per application and contact to prevent unauthorized individuals from taking on additional responsibilities. Your contacts will receive an invitation to register in Taskia or a notification indicating that you have shared a session with them. To view the invitations you have, locate the Apps button on the main page and select Access Control. In the sidebar, click on Received Session, and you will be able to see the list of available roles to accept, including information about the requester's email, name, the status of the request, and the app you're being granted access to. If you click Accept, you will immediately see the status change from pending to accepted. Are you ready to plan and collaborate on a large scale? Gather all your collaborators in one place and manage your projects with differentiated strategies. Achieve maximum performance by assigning responsibilities and establishing levels of information confidentiality using Taskia sessions, roles, and permissions.